Hi, I'm Amy Dreves, and this is Lisa Harmon, and we're here at Marc Adams School of Art, or School of Woodworking, teaching Enameling Bootcamp. So we're enameling on copper, and we're really excited because this is the first enameling class that Marc Adams has taught, and there's a lot of opportunities beyond wood that you're going to find at Marc Adams. We initially took this class last summer through Lynn Hull, and we were using wood tools, but we were working with metal. We were spinning metal, as you can see there. There's some of Lisa's work that she did in the workshop last summer.
And one of the neat things about it is you can learn in one class, do some metal spinning, and then it applies to this class where you're going to add the enameling. So it's not all about wood. There's lots of other things you can do at Marc Adams, and these are just some examples of some of the enameling work that we've done.
So I just wanted to say that there's a lot of opportunities here at Marc Adams, and if you're interested in taking any of these other courses, you can just check those out on the link below.